in this example, I have some fractions, but I'm not adding or subtracting them, I'm multiplying. So that's my hint to let me know that I need to simply factor everything and see if they cancel. And already I can see that I can factor some stuff out of there. I can factor out a 3 and a p, so I get, I guess, 3p plus 10. So that's nice. And then there's something on the bottom. I'll factor that somewhere else, maybe on the side. And then here I can factor out a 4p. So 4p, and then I would be left with p plus 2. And 3p. Oh, already I see that the p's cancel out. There's no addition or subtraction in between those, so like there or there, so I can cancel out that p. Now I just need to factor this, and I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, can I divide by 6? I don't think I can. 6 times 7 is 42. No, I cannot divide by 6. I can definitely divide by 2. So that's the first thing I'll do. I'll divide by 2. So I have 2 on the outside, and then 3p squared plus 16p plus 20. And I can do big X on this part. I cannot use the shortcut, so this is a good video to show the long way, which is factor by grouping. So in the top, 3 times 20, that's 60. And 16, immediately I'm thinking 6 and 10. Because when I add them together, like that one, I didn't have to do anything fancy. And then I write out 3p squared plus 6p plus 10p plus 20. And I can factor by grouping, do the step. Divide by 3p, 3p. And then on the inside it's p plus 2. Here I can divide by 10, and it's positive, so I put plus 10, and that would be p plus 2. And those are the same, so I can factor out that. And I'll write that on the outside. And on the inside, 3p plus, 10. So there we have it. Ooh, that's nice. So really what I have is 3p plus 10. I also have 2 out in front. Oh, I can simplify that. In fact, I think I'm going to right now, so it won't be a 2 anymore. I can divide this by 2, that becomes a 2. I can divide this by 2, that becomes a 1, or I don't have to write it. Ooh, and also 3 and 3. I can cancel those out. So really, that's gone. The p is still there, so I'll erase that. Alright, so then I have just p, remember that canceled out with that stuff, I reduced it, plus 2. 3p plus 10, that cancels out. And over here I'm left with 2 and p plus 2 over nothing, over 1, right? Because those canceled out to 1. And, oh, p plus 2. That also cancels out. So really, the answer is just 2p. That's really nice. Cool. So for this, I do not need common denominators because I'm not adding or subtracting fractions. All I need to do is factor and cancel stuff out.